Today, actually, it has been a good experience. Uh, as a sportsman, visited the INEOS Britannia, the sailing team, see the way they conduct themselves, and above all, actually be on the board to test the water and watch how the competition is. What impressed me more is the technology actually they follow, the data they are actually into every minute, and above all, the teamwork of the whole sailors. The big difference actually is the data, because here they rely fully on the data. Running actually is on the road, but data actually is working more on the water, and they need to come back, audit how the data has been actually for the last 4 hours on the water. I really enjoyed being on the water, on the boat. I really enjoy. I see how the faster actually the boat is going up. At 15 miles per hour is really fast. So I enjoy it, and now I have a lot of experience, and I love what's happening in the water. My sole and only advice actually for anyone who is taking something hard in life is prepare well, plan well, believe in yourself, and dare to try it and go for it.